OUE Downtown Gallery. Here at OUE Downtown Gallery, we provide for aesthetic options for you to straighten your teeth. For a lot of our working professionals, they don't wish to have their teeth straightened with the conventional wires and brackets because it's cumbersome, it's difficult to clean, and it doesn't look very nice when they're speaking to people and clients. Now that they are able to consider the option of straightening their teeth, they want to have a more aesthetic option. So here at the dental studio, we provide for a more aesthetic option called Invisalign. And so Invisalign is practically invisible. It looks like a clear aligner, which is then form-fitted to your teeth. And you can basically go about meeting your clients, doing your meetings, and go about your daily activities. For those of you who are wondering what Invisalign is all about, what treatment is like and how long treatment is, time frame and duration, because these answers to these questions are different from person to person, we have decided to hold a Invisalign Open House, and this allows us to cater to your needs according to what kind of treatment is best suited for you. Now, follow me. So this is where we do the consultation. So first, we'll take a look at your teeth. We'll do a round of examination just to check that your teeth are healthy. And then we'll take some photos of your teeth, of your face, and we'll do a scan. After the scans are done, we'll show you the end result of what your smile could be like, and it is simulated by the scans that we've taken for you so that we can further explain to you how long the treatment might be and what will be the cost. So these scans will then be used to fabricate a set of customized aligners, and it will be fabricated in minutes. Because of this, we can use Invisalign to correct simple to complex cases and align your bite. For those of you who are looking forward to straightening your teeth with Invisalign, do drop by for our Invisalign Open Hope to see you soon!